Hey guys, I'm Elsie. We're in Lakeland, Florida for a preview of Sir Henry's Haunted Trail. No one's here, so we have the whole place to ourselves. Except for them, ignore them. Sir Henry has 3 haunted trails: Wicked Waters Swamp Bayou, Tales of the Dead, Moonlight Massacre, and the new haunted Hayride, Legends of Halloween. Sir Henry opens September 29th, but tonight we are previewing the Moonlight Massacre Trail and the haunted Hayride. This is the Legends of Halloween. Oh, crap. This is the Legends of Halloween haunted Hayride. Hi. Is this your hayride?
The legends of Halloween tales are true. Will the victims get their just as overdue? The veil between the barriers is Sir Henry's grave. To cross that barrier, you must be brave. Fear itself is alive. Which one of you will survive? Alright guys, you can head this way.
This dark building?
Just walk into the dark building.
Yeah, the dark building. Okay.
Tread carefully, for an ancient evil resides within this land. A sworn witch took her wrath upon hundreds of helpless souls many years ago. She will unleash these legends of Halloween to bring upon your destruction.
All right, guys, come on in.
Welcome to Legends of Halloween Haunted Hayride.
Watch your step.
Oh, actual hay. I think that's Beatrice.
What a wonderful. On Hallows Eve, a wagon full of mortals dare cross into my woods. The skeleton serpent warns you not to come. I shall finish you off, as I will him, but not before you suffer as he has. No, you will be punished greatly, just as this person here, and this one too. Yes!
Oh, look, they have their own street name. Sir Henry's Trail. I don't have any candy, kid. Sorry.
To devour all on this Halloween night. Try to lock your doors and hide under your beds, but he will still find you. No one is safe from his hunger for blood. The witch's curse will destroy all.
Trick or treat, smell like this. Give me something good to eat.
Oh!
Well, don't y'all look mighty tasty?
Oh, thank you.
We're gonna have some fun cutting you up.
Close and smell your rotting flesh now. Yeah, that's right. We use humans to fertilize our crops. Man's gotta do what he's gotta do.
Corn tastes so much sweeter with human blood anyway.
They're gonna enjoy this.
We're telling anyone about our little secret here?
Y'all have any fun?
The harvester will see to that himself. Why don't we just cut you up right now? Watch out for Miss Piggy!
Looks like we're going through a pumpkin alley or a pumpkin tree tunnel maybe. Oh, a pumpkin man. Hello, pumpkin man.
Is lit. No one who comes into these woods escapes.
Jesus! Oh my God! The chapel, the satanic chapel. Hi.
So, these are the guests I've been eagerly waiting on. You look frightened. Shh. There's no need to be afraid. You're just in time for dinner. Well, our dinner. It's feeding time for Omar. Yes, he's a little feral, but we must keep him locked away in the basement. But don't worry, I don't think he can eat all of you. And whoever he doesn't, I'll be more than happy to show my hospitality.
Oh, look who it is. weird kitchen. Oh, and just like that, we're in the forest. Woo. Oh, this is weird. Ooh. Oh, it's
Food is out! The wolves are hungry! Beware!
that way. You want me to go?
The wolf! He ruined everything! The whole town! It was the wolf! He did this! He ruined it all!
Have you heard the tale?
I did, thank you.
The tale of the Will Rover. I mean, come on, just look at me. He was my husband. My dear, sweet Thomas. And just look at him. He doesn't even remember my sweet face.
Well, maybe turn the light
You
on.
don't understand. This is such a tragedy.
Jesus. Oh! Oh, this way, thank you. Yeah, thank you.
Thomas! Where are you?
Thomas, where are you?
Do you know where he is? Do you know where he is?
No, let's
sweet
go
darling?
find him.
Come on, let's go find him together, darling.
Thomas, is that you? Is that you, Thomas? Oh, it's so dark. Oh.
What's this feeling?
Thomas, is that you?
Someone tell me what's happening to me! Help me!
Please, you have to fight it. Please, you have to. No, no, what do we do? No, what do we do? No.
Oh. Okay. Who's gonna move? Ah! Ah!
What are you doing in my village?
I'm just visiting.
Just visiting? You know what's going on around here?
I think there's a werewolf. And
Werewolf?
Thomas is missing.
Thomas.
Thomas.
That was my best friend.
He seems like a nice guy.
He was.
What happened to him?
I don't know. It seems like there's a curse around here.
Is that what's going on? Okay. All right. Good to know.
Over.
It's over? Okay.
My sweet Thomas, no.
It's still happening to me! Someone tell me what's happening to me! It won't go away at all!
Okay. More forest. More creepy. Oh. Bad Thomas! Bad Thomas! Watch out for Thomas!
waste of silver bullets. But I don't think it'll help you. No, you need the wolf's bane. It will rise every night, till you get the wolf's bane from me.
Oh. Fight it! Fight it! Fight it! You can do it. I believe in you. You can do it. Is that a Is that a typewriter? Yes? Okay. Yes, it is.
Did you see him?
Yeah!
Out here all the screaming and carrying on.
Uh-huh.
Did you see him?
I did.
All right. Which way?
That way. So don't go that way. Go this way. Go this way. Follow me. Follow me.
Said you get out. Tells you don't. Whoops. I guess you don't.
You ruined everything! It was the wolf!
What?
The whole town is ruined! Ah!
Oh, it's dark.
Ah!
Stop it! Ah! Ah! Thomas! Okay, so the wolves are taking over. His name's Thomas. He's a little feisty. That was fun. That was exciting. All right, let's go on a hayride. So that was just a preview of what's to come at Sir Henry's Haunted Hayride. When they open September 29th, there's going to be 3 haunted trails and a haunted hayride and a couple other things like escape rooms and I think hatchet throwing. Anyways, it's a blast. So much fun. Made some werewolf friends, some demon friends. They're cool. They're fun. All right, let me know what you think in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. One, two.